Hi, I'm Santina WTI. For all those home brewers out there, you are going to love this Brew Journal craft beer logbook. My husband and I love to home brew, and this has just been so nice. We can keep track of our different brews. It's really nice having a keepsake and having that memory of what we've done. One thing that I really love is for each brew, you have plenty of space to record everything you need. So anything from your ingredients to your hop notes, your yeast notes, your hydrometer readings, and even at the end, after you're done and bottled and you've waited and you're ready to taste, you have a place to record your tasting notes as well. I also really love that at the beginning of this book, you have tons of charts that can help you in your process. So you've got conversion charts, glassware references, ABV references, hop charts, yeast charts, just a lot of different information. We have really enjoyed using this book, and I hope you will as well, and that's my point of view.